Good morning, class. Please stand for our prayer. You may take your seat now. And today, we are going to talk about repetition in art. But before that, please read our objectives. At the end of the lesson, you as a student or learner are expected to define what is repetition in art, draw motifs applying repetition, and appreciate the significance of repetition in art. So from the word itself, repetition, what comes into your mind when you hear repetition? Very good. It refers to doing something over and over again. And in art, repetition refers to the use of the same element over and over again, like shapes or floral, colors, or anything that being repeated in a drawing or an artwork. So, repetition is important in art because it helps artists to make their works more interesting and attractive. For example, we want to draw a flower. A single flower looks kind of boring, right? But when we apply repetition in our artwork, like this one, after we apply repetition in our artwork, it will improve the overall artwork, especially if we are going to use different colors of this drawing. And also, always remember that in art, you are free to use different elements. It depends on what you are interested of. And also, in applying repetition, you can always uh, design your own or use patterns in applying repetition, just like this one. In applying repetition, we form a line, or you can also form a circular form with flowers. So it depends on you on how you are going to design to make your artwork more interesting and your art. And after that, you will choose a group member that will present your group artwork here in front, and you are going to share how repetition improved the overall, your overall work, group artwork. You only have 5 minutes to finish your drawing. Okay, time's out. Where is the representative of group 1 who is going to present here in front? Okay, very good. Who's the representative of group 2? Very good. Now, before we end, let me ask a last question. What is repetition? Very good. It refers to the use of the same element